Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I want to thank you, your leadership, and Ranking Member Lori for her work and working in a bipartisan way. And in particular, I want to thank my good friend John Cobbleton. We go back from the Texas days working together, and I certainly look forward to continue working with you. And thank you for your leadership. Mr. Honda, again, thank you so much for all the work that you've done in this work, and in particular, the work that we all have done together. As a member of Congress from a border state and having hundreds of miles of border, I pay close attention to the way the government handles immigration cases. Special thanks to Mr. Corbison because, again, Chairman, you were able to work with me to add the needed funding and language to the Executive Office of Immigration Review in an effort to get to our nation's massive immigration backlog, which is now almost 500,000 cases, people that are waiting for their day in court. The bill today provides funding for an additional 25 immigration judge teams. This is on top of the 55 that we added last year. So that means that with the 55, we have 374 judges. With this additional 25 judges, we will be at 399 immigration judges, the largest number of immigration judges that we've had. So, Mr. Chairman, thank you so much for that. In addition, we also added to the EOR infrastructure, which means court space, and making sure that they have the court space to do their work. On top of that, we also added money to upgrade their IT systems to support a 21st century court because they're using paper. They're still doing a lot of by paperwork. So again, Mr. Chairman, thank you. But we're going to provide the resources, but we want to see performance from the judicial system, the immigration judicial system, to make sure that they're efficiently administrating the cases while maintaining due process. Currently, it takes the immigration court 71 days to dispose of a detained immigration case. So if you're detained, it takes about 71 days. But if you're not detained, then it takes about 665 days to handle that particular case. We added performance measures. I wish all of the subcommittees will add performance measures. So we added performance measures on this to set a goal for the department to administer cases. If it's a detained case, go from 71 days to 60 days. And if it's a non-detained case, from 665 days to 1 year, 365 days. Again, we give you the resources. We want efficiency in the system by and still providing due process. Mr. Chairman, I thank you for that great work. And again, the Hispanic Serving Institution for the first-time members, we now have a specific program. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.